next 5 minutes, I will tell you how this MTZ app or EcoStruxure Power Device app is beneficial for the users, and it comes by default or it comes free of charge for the user. So you, for all the Android devices or be it a Apple device, you can go to the iStore or Play Store, just type the Power Device, you will be able to download the EPD app. So once you open the app, it will show you there are three things. One is Bluetooth, second is NFC, third is USB. These are the three ways you can connect your app with your ACB. So I will take you through the demo mode, how you can connect your app to the ACB. So once, before establishing a connection, you have to go to the breaker and physically activate a Bluetooth button on your trip unit. Once you activate the physical trip unit, then it will allow in the app you can discover your breaker. So let's say if in the installation you will find there will be 10, 15 or there will be 2, 3 breakers where Bluetooth is on. So here you can see the name of the Masterpack MTZ2 is there. So here in your case, this will be the name of your incomer or your feeder name. So once you have click on the feeder, it will generate a random pairing pin. So the same pairing pin will be available on the trip unit display, and the connection can be established only if you enter a right pin which is available on the trip unit display in the mobile app. Once you enter that secondary password or the pairing pin, then only you can establish a connection with the ACB. So once the connection is established, you will see this is the first page of the app. So at a glance, it will show you three key things. First, here, whether the load is at right loading level and the phases are well balanced. If it is not, then it will give you this information with the color codes. So this comes with the by default 3 types of color codes. Green means everything is healthy and okay. Orange means there is a warning. There is some warning signal on the breaker. So you must reach out to the breaker, see what is warning there, and you can take the action so that that warning should not go into the trip. And then this is a trip reason, that if your breaker is under a tripping zone and at any given point of time it can pass on the threshold and it can trip the breaker. So at a glance you will get what is the level of your current, what is the loading with the color codes. Next, what are all warnings are available on the breaker. Once you click here, you will get the warning detail. So in most of the ACBs or most of the devices, you will see the warning information is there, but nobody will tell you what to do with that warning. So here MTZ app will tell you, once you click on the warning, it will tell you what is the recommended action you have to take, how to resolve that particular warning, it will tell you. Then next, you have a loading profile of the breaker. So throughout the life cycle of the breaker, it means if one breaker is installed 1 year before, then from the day of installation to the current date, you can see what is the loading profile of that particular breaker. Let's say, take an example, if I have a main incomer, अगर मेरे पास main incomer है और मुझे उस पे एक for example 1000 एम्पियर का main incomer है और मुझे उस पे एक 100 and 150 एम्पियर का लोड ऐड करना है, ठीक है. तो what I can do in place of MTZ, I can go and see that my loading profile is always below the 50% of full rated capacity. It means I can load this breaker, correct. If my loading profile is always more than 89%, it means I cannot put the extra load on this breaker. So very well you will get the entire loading profile and the hours. It means in this zone, how many number of hours your breaker has operated in what level of percentage loading. So first is you can plan a additional load. Second use is what? If your breaker is continuously operating under the full loading condition, then you can plan a repetitive preventive maintenances for that breaker. It means this your breaker is critical, is becoming a critical because it is continuously operating under the full loading capacity. So you will come to know what is the loading profile your breaker throughout the life cycle of the breaker. Okay, next here you will get all the information related to the breaker. So all the logs will be available. So you can see all the breaker, when your breaker has got operated on the ground fault, when your breaker has got trip on the instantaneous, all the information will be available with date and timestamp information. So if I will click on this, so it will show me in-depth information of this particular fault. So what is the use of this? Let's say if you have seen that particular fault, this particular fault has occurred in your breaker, you can simply click here so that you can share this data outside. Let's say you can share this data with the Schneider service person or Schneider salesperson or the consultant or some of your senior which is outside your plant, and you can take the advisory actions, or you can do the deeper analysis with just a single click. You can share all the data related to the breaker with just a single click by using this button. Also, you can filter the type of event. If you want to filter the high severity events only, then you can filter it out. You can filter, or you can differentiate between the events. Let's say if your particular this fault is coming, and if you want to see what is the detail of this fault, you can see at what time this fault has entered, at what time it has gone off, what is the severity of this particular fault. It is available. Then going to the waveform part of it. If you see here, there is a waveform. So if I click on the waveform, you can see at, let's say if your breaker has got trip. So here you can see at what time, it means at what millisecond. You can see very well at what millisecond my tripping sequence or tripping command is initiated, and after how many millisecond my breaker has got breaker itself.